Hello guys, this is the road that I saw today under reconstruction when coming from Amako here before FMC. It's at the right side before FMC gates. You will see this road. This is what they are doing and what they have done so far. You are going to see many things on this video. Make sure you do like and subscribe. So this road now links to the river at the back of Avan and FMC that links up to the Warehouse River. This is the river I'm talking about. So in this video, I will show you everything. Make sure you do like and subscribe.
So guys, I'm at the road now. They are walking here now at this place. From if you are coming from what they call it, that Amako here by FMC side. Inside they are doing this road. It's on progress now. Everywhere is like cool. I will show you the videos now, and make sure you do like, subscribe to my channel.
So guys, this is where it started when coming from Amako here before FMC first gates. This is the road. So this is what they have done so far. You can see. So stay tuned. I will show you the end of this road at that bridge side, the water side, because there is a river at the back of FMC and Avan, the river that links to Warehouse Bridge. If you are familiar with Warehouse, there is a river there. It links up to this place at the back of Avan, Ikoku College of Education and the Federal Medical Center, Owerri FMC Hospital. So guys, this is what they have done so far. You can see. So drop a comment, tell me what you think about their work and how they are doing it. So many people have been saying that they are taking time and what they are doing is not solid, or I don't know, your own opinion. So drop your comments. So guys, I have reached this place now, going down to the bridge side. So guys, this is down the bridge. There's a bridge here, the water that connects with the one at Warehouse. You can see it here now. This is the bridge. So they have to do something on this bridge and know how they will do it, because this is water. If motor fall inside here, it's a big problem. So guys, this is the river I'm talking about, the one that link up to the Warehouse water. You guys will know about the Warehouse water. This is the river linking up to Warehouse. So guys, this is what they have done so far on this road. This project now is ongoing. If you are familiar with this place, if you know this place, drop a comment, tell me and tell people in the comments the name of this place. Me, I don't know the name of this place. I just know it's FMC side before FMC gates. So guys, this is me going back from the main road that I came in from, the Amakohia road before FMC first gates. So guys, this is how they are doing the work. This is what they are doing now. So guys, drop your comments if they are taking time, or whatever is your opinion, whatever you think that is happening here. Drop your comment. If you have seen this place, drop your comment. If you have been here since they started this work, drop your comments. So for our people that are not in Imo State, that have not seen this place, this is Owerri. This is capital city of Imo State, Owerri. This is a road they are doing near FMC, the Federal Medical Center. So this road now link up to the back of the river at Avan. You know Avan have a river at the back. Please make sure you do subscribe to my channel. Please share, comments. I love you guys.